In this video, we will see how to import blog posts from Google Blogger site to other Blogger site. If this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. First, you need to back up your Blogger content and next import it into the other Blogger site. First step, back up your Blogger content. First, log into your Blogger account. Next, click Settings tab in the Blogger dashboard. Next, click Other link under Settings tab. So, under Import and Backup section, click Backup Content button. Next, in the Backup Content pop-up window, click Save to your computer button. By default, all the pages, posts and comments associated with your Blogger site will be downloaded onto your computer in a .xml file. Second step, import content into the other Blogger site. Head to the other Blogger site. Click Settings tab in Dashboard. Again, click Other link under it. Next, click Import Content button. And next, in the pop-up Import Content window, you can either publish the content directly by selecting this checkbox. But let's deselect it and import the content here and next publish it directly in this Blogger site. So, click Import from Computer button and select the XML file we backed up with Blogger content. Next, you can see the Blogger content is being imported one by one, and finally the importing is done. As you can see, the entire Blogger post has been imported here. You can edit the labels here if you want to add or delete them. Next, we can publish the entire imported posts by selecting the checkbox here and click Publish button. And we are done. You can view the Blogger site to confirm all the posts are published along with their labels. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe, like and comment on the video if it was helpful. Thank you.